Hey everybody, we are live and let me make sure we're live on YouTube as well. Okay, YouTube is live too. All right, you guys, how are you guys tonight? I just wanted to show you something really quick. I'm getting ready to finally leave the house today. No camping for me tonight. I put on my Instagram that the dogs and I were going camping. No, no. Just unless the REI guy comes with me, no way. Okay, so if you are watching on YouTube, hello. I am also live on Facebook under my Andrea Lee, L-E-I-G-H, Cox page. I am here, thank you for the love. As you come on here, if you can see me clearly, this goes for YouTube and Facebook, hit the like button, and if you can hear me clearly, hit the like button. You know where the emojis are under this video. Just hit the like button, toss this video a thumbs up so I know that you can see me and hear me clearly. I know my YouTube channel will get a lot more viewers than my Facebook, but anyway, hang on one sec. Let me adjust this camera. So I've got something that I was making earlier today, and I used to make this all the time. Excuse my hair, you guys. I know it's really hot out here, and my hair's curly, and it goes like this. So I used to make this all the time in Ohio, and back then, the coconuts were dipped in formaldehyde before they came over, so I stopped making it for a long time. Now we're pretty safe, depending on, you know, if you get them organic, etc. But, you know, as I was doing this, I wanted to show you guys something. So I'm going to have to make this and give it away. I took a little bite of a coconut, and I forgot that I have a slight coconut allergy. So before I get started on making the coconut yogurt, I want to show you a telltale sign of having a food allergy. So some people, you know, it's going to be different for everyone. Some people, your face might swell. Some people just get itchy all over their body. Some people break out. I actually break out in an itchy rash on my hand. You can see the little bumps right there. That is, and they itch. They're white and they turn red and inflamed. That's a telltale sign that you have an allergy to something. So the best thing to do is to avoid that food for a significant amount of time. Thank you for hitting the thumbs up, you guys, as you come on here. It increases our algorithm together. Also, if you're watching on Facebook, please hit the See First button under the follow section. And if you're watching on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button on Andrea Cox TV, and then hit the button that says get notifications. If you can do that, I will be forever grateful. Also on YouTube, if you're watching on Andrea Cox TV, head over to the Detox Intuitive and also subscribe to my new channel. I had a video the other day that it's up to 16,000 views, and it's like a week old. So go check out the Detox Intuitive if you're already subscribed to Andrea Cox TV, and subscribe there as well. But yeah, so I'm gonna make this really quick yogurt, coconut yogurt, vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, etc. I'm going to sweeten it with some medjool dates. I'm going to add a little ginger in there for digestion. I'm going to put a little packet of probiotics. This is from Body Ecology, but I really don't use these anymore. I take my own probiotic line that I sell on AndreaCox.com. Smiling Gut Probiotic, and usually I just open a capsule in there, but I'm all out of them. So I'm going to use this. So what you want to do is you can use the water of the coconut itself, but I actually like to mix the water of the coconut with aloe and drink it in the morning during my workout, so I don't have any coconut water in this. Thanks for hitting the thumbs up button to increase our algorithm as you log on. So first off, let's talk about this. So how do you get a coconut open? I actually have a coconut opener that a company sent me to do a video on. Oh, it's right here in this bag, and I never use it. I'm sorry. It's called Cocoa Jack, but I'm like not fond of it. So I take the sharp edge of the knife like this, and I just make 4 pokes. This one's already open, of course. 2 like that, 3, you know, kind of look away because you don't want a piece of coconut flying off in your eye, like that. And then I'm able to wedge the knife and flip the cap off. And then what I do is I just take a spoon, like so. I mean, I can chuck the meat out of 4 coconuts in like under 3 minutes. I'm like a pro. And in one piece, you can actually get the whole piece of coconut out. You won't be able to do that on your first try, but you can get the whole piece of coconut out in one piece if you'd like. This was a little immature coconut, so it didn't work as well. Also, I want to point out, if there's some brown pieces left on the coconut, that's okay. As long as it's not the outer shell of the coconut, you're gonna be fine. This isn't like perfection in coconut carving. This is, you know, making probiotics because you don't want to spend $18 on a thing of probiotic coconut yogurt at the grocery. It's selling for between $12 and $18, depending on the size. I priced it yesterday at Jimbo's, and I was like, I'm gonna buy a coconut for $2.99. I'm gonna buy like 3 coconuts and make it myself. I was really kind of shocked at how expensive it was when it takes literally 10 minutes to make it yourself. Okay, so now I know people on YouTube get this when I talk too much, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill this. So I'm just gonna fill the bottom. This is a Vitamix. It's kind of dirty because I just drank a smoothie out of it, to about 1 inch full, and I'm just using Mountain Valley spring water. I'm gonna take 2 medjool dates, and I'm gonna pit the dates. Also, make sure you keep your medjool dates in the refrigerator in a glass container, not plastic. You don't want plastic leaching into your medjool dates. Okay. So I'm going to cut this packet open. Now, you don't need the whole packet, but yeah, I'll probably use half the packet. Oh, you know what? I'm going to use the whole packet. There's not much in here. So I'm just going to kind of, you know, drop it like it's hot. I'm going to like put that in there. Like so. Oh my God, I love probiotic powder. I'm like, look at me, I'm like, ah. Can't have too much probiotics. Okay, I'm going to put the coconut meat in there. So this is going to make coconut yogurt. Now here's the beauty of this. You can sweeten this however you want. I've made it into dressing with like no sweetener in it, no dates, and have put turmeric powder in it, and it's been excellent with a little sea salt and pepper, and I usually flavor it at the end. But today I'm putting ginger and dates in it just because I want a really sweetened coconut yogurt. You can put this on top of fruit. And I love the variation of taste because it's like kind of a pungent, you know, with the ginger, a sweet with the dates, and a real fatty, you know, flavor with the coconut. So it's super good. Actually, I'm going to put 1 more date in there because I like my food super, super sweet. And we're just going to blend that up like so. Hang on 1 second. Oh my gosh, my lid is dirty. You guys, I feel so bad. My lid is dirty. My lid was dirty. Sorry, guys. I didn't plan on shooting a video today. I actually had to clean my nasty house and shoot a few private readings for people, so I didn't plan on shooting a live video today. But, okay, hang on. All right, I'm sorry, I forgot to do the Vitamix dance. Let's pick someone. Let's do the happy, happy dance. I forgot. I'm gonna do. Let's even see if anyone's on here. That's always fun. Oh, thanks for the thumbs up, you guys. Hey, David. Hey, Hank. Hey, Andre. Hey, Victor. Hey, Carl. Are there any women on here today? That would be nice. Hey, Zena. Zena, fist bump, woman. Hey, Mike. Oh, thank you. That's so sweet. Gosh, you guys, thank you for hitting the thumbs up on this. And YouTube, I'm going to actually have an announcement for you after. Okay, so look at that. Thick, creamy coconut yogurt, raw vegan. Yeah, I used to make this stuff in Ohio.